Welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
Welcome to the world of Kholofelo Seerane. Okay, so today is our 6 of 7 shoots, video. So we're going to do this tropical eye that I have here on my left eye. So what I'm going to do, already I did my one eye off camera like I usually do, save you time. So I'm just going to do this eye. Funny enough, I have a shirt on that is tropical just like the eye, but I don't know what I'm going to pair this necklace with because it's so busy. So let me show you the inspiration for today. For today's inspiration, we have Baby Girl is our inspiration, and I basically have all these colors on this necklace. So I'm just going to do that and show you guys how I achieve that eye makeup look, and then let's carry on with the video. So I have a lot of palettes that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to show you right here the colors that I'll be using because I can't hold up all the palettes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to zoom in and start playing with the color. Okay, so as you see, I already have my purple on my eye already. There is just a plain old purple color that I blended into the eye. And then the next color that I'm going to use is it's this purple, this light purple. I used this one. This is the first purple. Now I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to put it next to the dark purple, right on top of the crease over there, and blend it going forward, like moving back and forth. The next color I'm going to use is this orange, and I'm going to put it close to the inner corner highlight right over here, and I'm going to use the same technique that I've been using for all these 2 purples that I put on my eye. So once I'm done with the eyes, now I'm just going to take makeup remover on a cotton pad and just trace out my crease, over my crease, because that's where I want to cut it. I want to make sure that it's clean and doesn't have it won't be like a muddy area. So I want it like that, and I'm just going to cut out my crease and carry on with the look.
I can't keep calling you my dear, oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. Never got the time of day.
Once I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to use a white eyeshadow, this color. I want to use it and right on the first part of the eye, just like so. I'm done with the white. I'm going to go back to that dark purple and start blending it in just to make sure that it's clean and even. Use a blue can, put it next to the dark purple, and make it seem like, make it as if it's coming out from the purple color.
Some way out of here, oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great.
And then from there, I'm going to use a green from this.
I can't keep calling you my dear, oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. Never got the time of day.
So we're done with that. Now I'm going to use my favorite gel liner. I'm going to use it to make a wing. I'm not going to make it thin. I want to make it very thick. Not very thick, but thick towards the end only.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great, and I know I can't escape. I can't keep calling.
So I'm not done with my eyes yet. I'll finish it up once I'm done with the makeup look. So I'm going to use this black opal in the color nutmeg. I feel like the nutmeg is my winter shade because it's a bit too bright, but I'll work with it.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great, and I know I can't escape.
I'll be using the Fit Me concealer in the number 55 to contour, and I feel like this contour dries up so quickly, so I'm just going to do that and blend. I don't want it to dry up and start, because the last time I used it, I haven't used it in a while, because the last time I used it, it was leaving like lines on my face. So I was like, ugh, maybe it's not for me, but I wanted to try it again today and see how it works. Let me just leave this side so you can see the lines that I'm talking about. I'm going to put this powder under my eyes. This powder, I love this powder so much, and actually I mixed it with the Makeup Revolution white powder. I mixed the two of them up because I took a darker shade.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
I'm going to highlight with this palette, and then just going to put it on my cheeks with this fan brush. I like it because it's so small. I'm just going to blend it into my skin so there's no more harsh lines. So I'm back with the final look. I just wore my necklace. The way it's, so me get up. The way this necklace is so busy, I cannot put on anything as busy as it is. So I opted for this top that my sister borrowed me just so I can shoot with it. You can't see it, but it's there. So this is the final look, guys. As you can see, tropical eyes and spring-like necklace. So this is the look that we did today. Be sure to comment and tell me what you think about this look and if I achieved it. And please share this video if you can. Like this video as well. Subscribe and join us in more of the challenges. There's only one more that I'm going to do, is towards Christmas, so it's going to be a Christmas-like feel. So I hope you guys can tune in and enjoy that video as well. So I'll see you in the last challenge video, and goodbye. Bye. Selo sa ka se fedile. Welcome. Welcome. Wow, have a beautiful tea.